This is Lesson 51, and Lesson 51 is about common logarithms and natural logarithms. Any positive number except 1 can be used as the base of an exponential expression, and these same numbers are the bases of the corresponding logarithmic expression. We say that the exponent is the logarithm of the expression, and the number is the anti-logarithm of the exponent. This is the antilog, this is the base, and this is the logarithm, or the exponent. This is the logarithm 2, whoops, that goes with this base, log base 10 of 100. This is the number, or the antilog, and this is the base. Okay, logarithms that use 10 as a base are called common logs. Logarithms that use the natural number e as a base are called natural logs. E is approximately 2.71828 da 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 da. It's kind of like pi. It's an irrational number that occurs naturally in the study of mathematics. Log of 42 means log base 10 of 42. Ln of 42 means log base e of 42. We leave out the 10 and we leave out the e because that's just commonly known that those two things are logs. Okay, I'm going to go to the next page now. And you're going to use your calculator for all of these. We want to write 2.4 as a power with a base of 10. In other words, we want to use in A. We want to use in A 10 to some power. And the way we do that is we get our calculators and we count down in this left-hand column of keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth one down is log. Okay, so we get our calculators on. Okay, so turn them on, and you do log 2.4. And what this gives us is the exponent that goes with 10 to make it equal 2.4. And when I did this, I got 3.380, rounded to 3 decimal places. Now, right above or below the log key, you can see the ln key. We're going to do the same thing to write 2.4 as a power of e. So we're going to raise e to a power. We're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to hit the ln button, which is the 7th button down, and put in 2.4. And then we're going to have 0.875 as the exponent. Okay, we want to find the log of 2.4. The log of 2.4 is just what we just did. We hit our log key and we put in 2.4 and enter, and we get 0.380211. Oops, doesn't look like an 8. 2112417. You only have to go to 3 decimal places, so it is just this, just what we have up here. This is the exponent that goes with the 10 we understand to be here to make it equal 2.4. So 10 to this power will equal 2.4. And again, when we want to find the ln of 2.4, we do exactly the same thing. We just do ln 2.4. Remember, a log of any kind, whether it's a natural log or a common log with a base of 10, it's just the exponent that goes with the base e to make it equal 2.4. So we have 0.87546873774. That's all the numbers that fit. You can just cross those out. It rounds to 0.875, just like we have up here. And e to the 0.875 power will equal approximately 2.4. We want to write 24,000 as a power with the base of 10. Okay, so we're going to do log, the common log, 24,000, and enter. And in this we get 10 to the power of 4.380. Okay, so 10 to that power, 4.380. Now what happened here is we moved this back and we put it really into scientific notation. So we had 2.4 times 10 to the positive 4 power. We know we can replace 2 with 10 to the 0.380, so it's 10 to the 0.380 times 10 to the 4th, and that, just add the exponents, and that's how we arrived at that. It will come right out of your calculator too. We want to write 24,000 as a power whose base is E. Okay, so we're going to do ln 24,000 and enter, and we get 10.0858. Okay, so I'm going to write E to the 10 point, rounding to 3 decimal places now, 86. We want to write 24 10,000ths as a power, as 10 raised to a power. So now we go back to log. Remember the common log has 10 as a base, and it's the log on your calculator. 0.0024, enter, and I get 10 for A. 0.0024 equals 10 raised to the negative 2.620 power, rounded to 2 places. And B, 0.0024. Again, we want to use our ln key this time, and we do ln 0.0024, enter, and I get negative 6.032. So we're going to raise that E to the negative 6.032 power. And that concludes lesson 51 on common logs and natural logs. You can go online to my Wikispace for video lessons and more online practice.